first order of the day is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 4 miles, 6 items. Looks like it's all flavored water. Where is that? Is it this? Yeah, 2 of these. One of these. 2 of these. One of those. All right. Easy enough. It's always upstairs, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Turn left, then turn left.
It is super dead, so I'm just gonna take this order. It is for Voodoo Donut, $12.75 going 8 miles. Thank you. Bit of a wait there, and I forgot this was going so far away. So I just hope there's a hidden tip to make all this worth it. No extra hidden tip. That is very unfortunate, and I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. Oh well. Kind of screwed myself, but sometimes you just gotta do that. Oh, here we go. Next order is a stacked Sherry's, $10 going just under 3 miles. Ooh. Don't like the look of that. That was like a 10 to 15 minute wait. They were still not going to be ready anytime soon, so I got this Voodoo Donut order. I believe it said $11 going like 4 miles.
Ashley, drive
Thank you.
safe.
Have a good one. All caps, it says, please knock or text. Babies are sleeping. Thank you. Wait, what? Okay, I guess I'll text. Let's give it a shot. This is a stacked kitchen table cafe, $11 going 5.5 miles. Let's see how they're doing today.
For both of those orders, I would say it's still gonna be a while.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry about that.
Man, I am just striking out today. I am making $0. Just got this shop and deliver for Target. This is $17 going 3.5 miles, 7 items. I'm almost positive this is going to the same person from earlier. It is going to them. I knew it. So it looks like they finished all their water and now they're moving on to laundry. I think that might have been the first time I've ever delivered to the same person twice in one day. And I got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14 going 5 miles, 2 items. Exit this. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Just got another shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is $15, going 7.5 miles, 2 items. Most of it is getting back to the store, so it shouldn't be too bad.
You look familiar.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate that. You have a good day.
You too.
Let's go. Extra $3. Next up is a McDonald's. This is $7, going 2 miles.
Sausage, egg, McMuffin meal, and a bacon, egg, and
Woof, woof. Next order up is that same McDonald's. This is $10 and some change, going like 3.5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Next order up is a Starbucks. This is $7.25, going 3 miles.
is that DoorDash from Tim?
Thank you. All right, I finally got my next order. This is for Voodoo Donut, $14.75, going 7 miles. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Next up is a Starbucks. This is $10, going 3.5 miles. Thank you. All right, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I need to get some food in me, so I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 11:57. Current total is 129, and I only have one Uber tip that I'm waiting on, the one that I just did, so I'd say like 135-ish. That is gonna be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.